All right. So now that you have configured your form to what you wanted to say, your Google Sheets is set, and we have tested and confirmed that our Google Sheets was it was getting the sample data that we was put in there. Now this is the part everybody hate because don't nobody like building a website. So since a lot of times people don't like building websites, I'm going to introduce you, or you may already know, a thing called Lovable. Okay, inside of your dashboard, I already put the source code, so you can put like your production code there. Okay, so that source code that I gave you, I want you to copy and paste, and I want you to hit the production URL, and I want you to take that URL, and I want you to put it inside. Right, remember I gave y'all the little code. Just do it just like that. Okay, I already made it for you. You don't have to redo it. So you're gonna put that right there. You're gonna come back out of your canvas, and I want you to turn this on to act. Oh, let's say save. You gotta save it. All right, cool. I want you to turn this on to active. So now, anytime that the production page is hit, your thing is gonna go. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna create something just like this. Okay, and this is very easy to do. So once we come here, sorry about that. Okay, we're gonna go to a Lovable over here. Now I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna make this a little easier, and I'm gonna ask this: Can it give me a prompt? And I'm like, hey, can you give me a prompt so my students can reproduce on their style real quick? So um, but Lovable is basically just a vibe coding thing. All right. So basically you can I'm gonna give you all of this stuff. I'm gonna give you the prompt to add in here, right? But you can tell it on your design stuff. You can tell it the let me just put it over here real quick. So basically what you gonna do, you're gonna be talking to it. I can show you how to do it, and oh my god, it didn't copy like I wanted it to. So let's see. Landing page. This is just a little landing page design right here. Okay, copy. Then I'm gonna put it over here, so hopefully it'll do what it's supposed to do. All right, cool. So basically, what you're going to have it is say, hey, here's a landing page. I want you to create a modern, bold landing page with the following specification. The typography uses n8n from the Google Forms. The color scheme, change this. I'm going to put this right here. Okay. Change this to your colors. So whatever your colors is, that's what you're going to put right there. Okay. So change that to your colors. The example is my colors, but you can literally tell it what type of colors, that you want, and it'll do that right there for you. Okay. So no worries. I'm gonna keep this like this because I'm gonna put that inside of the thing because I need to put that in there, right? So it says, hey, a dark navy gradient background, la 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 la. You can put whatever color is your brand, okay? Because my brand and your brand just might be a little different, right? You're gonna keep everything the same. So basically, you're gonna come over here into Lovable, okay? Once you come into Lovable, and then you're gonna give it that source code to put in there. Okay. So you're just gonna go to lovable.dev, just like so. Okay. Once you do there, paste this same information in here, and then on the bottom you need to put your and tell them, here is my form page, my form, okay, to embed. So you need to let it know it needs to embed that form. So once you come over here, yeah, once you come over here and you got the form, the frame, okay, the iframe. I just want you to enter this there, but make sure you put your colors. My colors are orange and navy. You put your colors, okay, and then you're just gonna say, go over here. All right, Lovable is free. The first 5 generations or the first 5 credit, it does it for free for you, okay, and it has it where you can put your own. But I think I pay for it because I do pay the $25 for the front end stuff because I be building a whole bunch of software and stuff like that, and I like to make it pretty. All right. One of the things I like, the one of the vibe coders that I like, Lovable is just easy use and stuff like that. So it's a real cool. And then the other one that I like to use is Replit. That's more for more stuff. Okay, but Lovable is just always so pretty. Like it's very, very pretty. Um and what it's gonna do is gonna create you is gonna create a site. I literally had told it, I was like, hey, can you make me a site, have this, and then I had to start talking to it. But sometimes in the beginning that might be a little confusing for you. But you can literally talk to it, say, I don't want this, add that, and this gets you to making websites like that. Okay. So we finna come in here, just make this front is just the front end, right? Just the front end thing. And as you see, it's going down, it's working, it's doing everything that you're asking it to do. And we just waiting on it do what it does. All right. So now when it's gonna spin up something. Let's see what Lovable give us. Um, Yada 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 yada. All right, this is cute. This is actually cute, but I don't want a footer, and I don't want a footer, and I don't want a header. Okay, this actually this I like this one. This one actually came out really cool. So I'm gonna say I'm gonna ask it, please remove. I'm just gonna say please PLASE remove header and footer. Okay, and all of this stuff you can actually go in and update. I'm going to show y'all that real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna say please remove header and footer because I don't want a header and a footer on there. Dang, I actually like this. This is fire, right? Okay, I'll remove the header and the footer. Now, if you want the footer, you're gonna have to go through and tell it what you want it to say right there. Features about contact. That's fire. I ain't gonna lie. I would rock this page, right? But I'll show you how to go in and change stuff because maybe you want buttons going somewhere. Maybe you want this or that. I don't know what you want. But you can begin to talk to this thing, and this thing will go ahead and create some amazing stuff. All right. So now it's about to take off the header and the footer because that's the only thing that I want like that. Right. And I'm gonna say stay updated. Join thousands of like. Okay. So now I want to say edit because there's some stuff in here I want to edit. Right. And it says select edit or ask Lovable. Okay. So right here, if I wanted to update the words, I can say I can update the words. You know, I done thousands of forward thinking individuals. I'm gonna change that to my community, which is creatives. Okay, thousands for who stay ahead of the curve with our exclusive updates and insight using various AI, you know, using various AI technology, right? Technology. Okay. And then here where it says like oh glory. Let me go over. Okay, that's a paragraph right there. I would want to change. I would want to change this. Okay, but the like the paragraphs and all of that. That's this stuff can be changed. I'm gonna be like, you know, connect. And be like, join our creative hub. Okay, with like-minded professionals. All right. So join our creative hub, discover new growth opportunities. So I'm just gonna save this. I'm gonna say that. Now it's this part where I wanted to what I wanted to change. Like this right here, uh over, you know, in our community, we're over, you know, over 2K, you know, hub members, or well, actually, it's 4,000 of us. It's 4,000 of us on YouTube. It's 3,000 of us on TikTok. It's about 1,000 of us in our group on Facebook. So 4, 7. So we can say 10K. So right here, I'm just gonna screenshot this, and then I'm gonna tell it to change this to Okay. Can you change the 50K to 10K to 10K and to 10K, and where it says subscribers change to creatives. Okay. And then we just gonna hit that like so. Okay. So my numbers is gonna reflect. I do got over 10. Oh my God. We do got over 10K people in our stuff. That's awesome. I ain't gonna say we got 50K, I ain't gonna lie. Some people like to blow up the numbers, but you don't got many create like you don't got a lot of folk that be on what we be on, y'all. All right, cool. Right. So there, it's ready to go. It got our thing on there, ready to rock and roll. Okay. Only took literally an adjustment or two. Bam, ready to go. So next thing we're gonna do is say publish. Now you can use the Lovable site, the Lovable app, okay? But no, we brand everything. That's why I say just pay. It do let you do a custom domain, but I believe you do have to be on a premium plan, and it's like $25. But that's cool. This is like something you're gonna need because you're gonna be creating websites and all that stuff using your domains. All right. On the domain piece, I recommended that you get it through Cloudflare. If you go through cloudflare.com, flare.com. If you already have a domain name and stuff like that, just put it on Cloudflare, right? So you can just change the name servers and bring your domain over Cloudflare, because literally I love Cloudflare integrations. Cloudflare integrations are the bomb because you only just got to click and go. You don't have to do like keep changing A records and C records and C names and blah blah blah. You don't have to do all that, right? So basically, you'll go into Cloudflare. If you do not have a Cloudflare account or anything like that, if you don't have a domain name, just go to domain registrations. Domain names be like $10, right? Because I got some over here that I buy over here, whether I'm buying for myself, my clients, or whoever. Anyway, you can do that. But if you already if you already have a domain, if you already have a domain name, you can just add it. You add your domain name, and the only thing you have to do, you don't even if it's on Shopify, it don't matter. It's not gonna bring your site down or anything like that. You just put it on there, get the safety, and pick the free plan. Okay, you can do this on the free plan. You don't have to pay any additional money for that or anything like that. But I just want you to know. So you can come over here, either register you a domain or bring your domain name over. All right. But it's on Cloudflare. And I just wanted to show y'all that real quick so you'll know what you need to know. All right. So here we go. We go back over here to the Lovable. Oh man, where I'm put it at? Oh man, there you go. Okay. We go over here to Lovable. I'm gonna say custom domain, and then I'm gonna connect the domain. So I'm gonna say connect domain. All right. So once I connect a domain, I'm gonna just say continue, and I'm gonna say I want to use a subdomain because I don't want to use my main domain, right? So on here, I'm just gonna say update Zodi marketing AI.com. I think that's it. All right. And I'm going to say continue. And it's going to look for my domain. It's going to see that, okay, you on Cloudflare. The only thing I have to do is authorize it. Once I sit up there and authorize the domain, say authorize, okay, it want to add that to me. Say this process has been finished. Updates.zodi AI is now configured, and it's telling you, hey, this can take a few hours, up to 40 hours. But honestly, it don't take that long at all. And so once it's there, I can go over here and just put it inside my custom name right there. All right, then it's okay. It ain't propagated yet, but normally, it just take a little time for the updates that Zodi Marketing AI to come. All right, because if you go on the regular website in just a second, it's gonna propagate. Okay, you'll have it. You'll have the form right here. Look at that. Ain't that awesome? Okay, you have the form right there. So now we're just gonna go. Just wait a second for the actual domain name to pop up real quick. So I'm just gonna come over here, put it in the browser. Okay, say what happened. Your request. So clarify now. Unfortunately, it's resolving IRB that is created conflict. Please see. Oh shoot, I might have a. Do I already have a domain name that's like there? So let me go and let me fix this, y'all. Because sometimes you know how you can have a custom domain. All right, remove the domain. It just haven't updated yet. Okay, now it's good. All right, now we should be good. Yeah. Okay, so we had to refresh it there, and now once we refreshed it, as you see, you don't see Lovable on here. You don't see any of these other brands. You don't see n8n right here. Right, your community is only getting your. And if you want it on the main domain, the top level domain, you can do it. And top level means it doesn't have like something like that around it or whatever. Now you have a website that has been ready to go, y'all. And we did this all in 15 minutes. 15 minutes, less than 15 minutes. And let's test this workflow. All right. So here's the thing. And now let's test the workflow real quick. So I'm gonna say my name is Crystal Hale. Okay. My email. Okay. We'll do a sample email. Okay. My number. Okay, we'll just do a sample number. That's not a real number. Well, yeah, technically. How long you been in business? Okay, I've been in business for 5 years plus. I'm gonna say submit. Now the form has been submitted on the website and say thank you for registering. We will update you with all our future promotions and events. Okay, so since it's letting me know that it's gonna update me, I already know this. Guess what? Um, it gives me a help, Lord. it gives me the email right here. So here you go. It works. It let me know, and it's because as soon as it's submitted, it was updated here that my name, my email, my phone number, and how long have I been in business. And we did that all within 15 minutes. We did that all in less than 15 minutes. So we went to not having a website, not having a way for people just to even sign up and get our updates to a fully website ready to go, ready to hold that. All right. So listen, this Tuesday we're going to be in the lab, and as we're in the lab, you're going to get access to all the stuff to be able to do this. A website in less than 15 minutes, bro. Like, tell me where they do that at at the creative space at the Creative Space Academy. All right. So there you go. You built your website in less than 15 minutes, and now it's ready to share, and you can start collecting those emails real quick. All right. Well, until next time, my name is Crystal Health. Thank you for coming to the class, and I hope this has helped you. Bye.